I'm going to show you how to edit a photo in ChatGPT. So firstly, get to ChatGPT, access ChatGPT, and if you have an account, you can log into your account. So once you're in the ChatGPT page here, so first upload the photo that you want to edit. To do that, click on the attach option here, and then click on add photos or files. Click on it, and then select the image that you wish to edit. Once you've selected the image, upload it, and here, once uploaded, type in the prompt. So in the prompt, clearly mention specifically what type of edit you want to do. So for example, it's like I want to edit this photo to increase the brightness and color. So just type in the prompt, like for example, can you edit this photo to increase the brightness and color of it. So likewise, you just type in your prompt and what type of edit you want it to do. So try to be specific so that it can do it for you, and then hit on enter. So ChatGPT will process the photo and then send you the results with it. So you can just click on it and then save the photo, and that's how you can edit in ChatGPT. Hope the video helps.